So what we're going to do today is we're going to install this cargo tie down to my Tacoma. I've got a 2019 Tacoma. I got these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link below the video. But I've already installed 2 of these, and they really do come in handy. So we'll get this installed and show you how it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the middle ones here. I did the ones in the back of the truck last week, and man, they sure did come in handy. So what you'll need is a T55 Torx bit. I got that from O'Reilly's, and you're going to want a breaker bar for this, because obviously they've got them on there pretty good. But I'll get this off and we'll get back with you when I get this off. Alright, so you got to get the washer off of here. And they've got it tapered to where it just will not slide down. So what I do is I get some 2x or 4x4 posts. I will actually set this over the post like such, so that when I hit this with my sledgehammer, it'll help push this down through the washer. It's going to take several hits, but once you get it off, you're good to go. Alright, it took several hits, but I finally got it through there. So this is probably the hardest thing you'll do, is getting this off of that bolt. But so I'm going to get the other bolt done, and we'll work on the cargo ties, because you're going to have to actually widen those. So be back. Let me get the other one off. Alright, so I got the washers off of the bolts. Next thing is you're going to get your cargo ties. Now on these, I have to make this hole bigger. You need to use a 1-inch drill bit for this. So what I've done is I've got our cargo tie on a piece of wood. I've got 2 nails in here to kind of hold it in place while I widen this hole. Not sure if I can do that with one hand, but we'll see. Alright, just like that. Back that bad boy out of there. Now I'll do the other one. Alright, so I got done drilling the holes with my 1-inch drill bit. A vice clamp is a lot easier than what I had here, but I mean, hey, you use what you got, so I don't have a vice clamp. So now the bolt will slide right in here like such, and you put your washer back on. Let's see, go that way, and put it back on the truck. So I'll be back when I put it on. And one more thing, whenever you put this back on, to get the washer over that tapered part, you'll need to kind of pound it back in there through that tapered part. So I had to put my back on here and pound it. But anyway, the washer will get bent sometimes doing this. No big deal. Once you tighten it back on there, that thing will flatten up like a pancake. So don't sweat it if that happens to you. All right, let's put them back on. So I'm going to show you. You see how the washer's pretty bent there. You don't have to worry about that, because once you get this on here, it'll flatten up. I'll go ahead and show you. And I'm by no means a professional, so don't take anything I say as being Bible. I'm just a stupid redneck that enjoys DIY. Wish I had a bit for my drill bit I could put on here. I'm sure they make something like that. Boy, you gotta turn this thing a whole lot to get it down in the hole. Sorry about the bad camera work. Alright, it should start flattening up. I'm gonna get my breaker bar and finish it here. I thought I could do it one-handed and film it, but I want you to see how it's raised. When I get done, I'll show you how it'll be flat. Alright, so it's done. As you can see, it's in there flat. Not raised at all, so that's how you do it. Total time is really, you can do this in 15 minutes. And having all these tie downs, I'll tell you one thing I've learned in the truck: you cannot have too many tie downs. So, like I said, 15 minutes of work and you're done. All right, hope this helps you.